Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. In this series, we have only medium difficulty data questions. Today's challenge is to count salary categories. We have a table accounts with the account ID and the income. We need to write a solution to calculate the number of bank accounts for each salary category. So we need to categorize the salaries. Low salary is strictly less than 20,000. Average salary is between 20,000 and 50,000. And the high salary is greater than 50,000. For example, in the given table, we have only one income that is less than 20,000. There are no incomes in the range of average salaries, and there are 3 incomes higher than 50,000. The result table must contain all 3 categories. If there are no accounts in the category, return 0. The main trick to this problem is ensuring that all 3 categories, low, average, and high salary, appear in the final output, even if their count is 0. In SQL, the cleanest way to guarantee all 3 rows are returned is to calculate the count for each specific category and combine the results using union all. So we write the select statement 3 times. In the first select statement, we filter income for less than 20,000. This is our category low salary. We count all rows that meet this condition. We copy-paste 3 times and change the where clause. For the average salary, the income range is larger or equal to 20,000 and smaller or equal to 50,000. The last category is high salary. It should be larger than 50,000. All these 3 select statements we will combine with the union all. If you watched my previous videos, you should remember that if you use the union all, it's very important that all columns in each select statement are the same and in the same order. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we can count the occurrences that match our specific conditions by creating boolean masks. We need 3 conditions for low counts, average count, and high count. The income is low if it is less than 20,000. The income is average if it is larger or equal to 20,000, and it is smaller or equal to 50,000. The income is high if it is larger 50,000. These conditions are boolean masks. They return either true or false. We use the sum function to calculate all true values. True evaluates to 1 and false evaluates to 0. So we calculate all ones. Now we construct the final data frame with the guaranteed categories. We need 2 headers, the category and the accounts count. The values for the category are low salary, average salary, and high salary. The values for accounts count are stored in our variables. And we are ready to return the result. Now let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Union all in SQL or DataFrame in Pandas? Let me know in the comments.